Happy Holy Week, everyone. It's my birthday week, and we are in Dolores, Laguna.
Quezon.
Dolores, Quezon. Joke
Our
lang.
Lady of Sorrows.
Our Lady of Sorrows.
Overlooking the
And my mom's the
Mount
type na,
Banahaw.
no Boracay, no anything. We doing the Holy Week.
Yes, always. Be careful. Pupunta ka mo dito, wala pa ito eh.
Ninintay talaga ako, mom. Knock and you shall seek, diba? Tama ba? Knock and the door shall open. Why don't you knock, mom? Ba't natin kailangan si janitor? Kailangan... Lord! Pakibukas naman po yung pintuan. Lord! Lugaw and lumpia. Mom, let's go for lugaw. Ang nangyari sa atin, naligaw. Walang lugaw, naligaw. Kasi sarado ang pilgrimage area. Don't worry, mom, gagawa ako ng paraan as always. So we've been up since 4:30 a.m. and we drove all the way here.
I have been praying for in the last 5 years. Doing the every Friday.
Ano mo pala, let's go.
First Friday.
Wala naman ako sulat na bawal pumasok,
Ay, hindi
mom
ko
eh.
kayang...
Ako, ano? Hindi nyo kaya, pagalitan tayo. What does the schedule say ba? You know, my other leg is already there. You know the song, nothing can stop us, nothing can stop us now. Ako. It's in and out. Bakit may shirt? Faith. You've gotta have faith, faith, faith. So, every Holy Week, it's my birthday week. Oh, I have glasses now, guys. Wow! Because it hurts my eyes already when I look on my cell phone and tumaas na rin yung grado ng eyes ko. So, I want to wear glasses to correct it. And look, it's kind of light blue. I mean, it's kind of blue because it's for the cell phones and all the gadgets. I couldn't wait for the normal looking one, so I'ma look purple or blue. It's kind of cool. Like recycle dreams. Even to this day, in the loneliness of those who have no friends, no home, no hope, no future, our society is filled with them, but we pretend not to know and slumber noisily while they die, victims of neglect. Simon just happened to pass there on his way home from the fields. He was forced to make a detour that changed the course of... Thank you, Lord. It's a good place to pray, everyone. Dolores, Quezon. Ang dami daw mga naging totoong dreams dito. Wow! This is my tita, who my mom goes with every time to Dolores.
Umiyak ako na kumakanta ng huwag kang mangamba. Ayun,
Umiyak kaya na naman. Umiyak na naman.
Ay, naalala ko na naman. Sabi ko, naku,
Mami, nasa laya na ako.
Yung mahaba po ay sa akin, yung maikli ay malapit.
Yan ang tinutugtog ng unang
You have to
Mindao.
run.
Sabi ko sa
Dami kong hininging milagro. So magkakatotoo lahat. Magkakatotoo lahat.
National Flag.
Oo, rin, ang dami ko nang pinagdaanan sa buhay, yan lang ang bumuhay sa akin.
Eh di ba si
Tita, you're part of
Inay?
my vlog now.
Hello.
Yan, kasama ko palagi pang nagdadasal
Oo.
dito every Friday.
Every Friday, first Friday kasama ko lang yung mami mo.
every first Friday.
Sa akin yan nag-ano ng mga problema niya.
Ilang taon.
So ngayon wala na problema.
Wala nang problema. Tapos na eh.
So hindi na kayo sinasamahan.
Hindi na.
Nagtatampo.
Ngayon na lang kami nagkita 2 years eh.
Eh paano naman,
Tita,
diba?
nagtatampo ba kayo?
Hindi
Pandemic.
naman. Malapit na.
Palagi kami
Kaya nga
nag-uusap,
ikaw
ano?
daw eh, pang ano.
Malapit ato.
Yeah. Yan daw yung
Yung regalo sa akin para hindi ako magtampo.
Oo. ayan.
Palagi kami nag-uusap.
parang
Kaya-
hindi daw enough, Mami. Sa ilang years niya na sinuportahan daw kayo. Ito
Oh, 2 years.
Oh, diba?
2 years yan.
Oo
Wala
nga,
kami pinag-uusapan kundi ikaw.
bago mag-pandemic.
Bago mag-pandemic, ayun.
Buti humabol ka, ano?
Pinuntahan talaga kita kasi baka hindi ka dumaan. Bye, Karen.
Mwah! Thank you so much, Tita. I really
Bye-bye.
appreciate it.
Bye.
Wala ka pang avocado?
Oh, naku, nakahingi ka ng avocado.
Pagbalik mo, dito lang kita. Meron, hindi pala ako kukuha ngayon.
Sayang.
Aakyat.
Sabi ko nga, patuloy ng puno eh.
Papatik mo, dito lang ba si Karen ng avocado?
Bilang Tita ha. bilang.
Balik.
Ay, hindi lang
Babalik
daw.
ka.
Hindi lang daw siya, ha?
Ano
Kasi
na?
ako, sabi niya siya lang daw, ano yung mga
Mami, sabi niya pagbalik. In other words, kung hindi kayo bumalik, wala.
Nag-schedule ka, babalik ka.
Bye, Tita.
Bye. Sige, bye.
We eat some food. Yes, Mom. Ooh, let's have these cassava chips. Can we bring these home? Oh, Sisi.
Ano yun?
Let's have everything.
Ano yun?
Mom, let's get these chicharrones, oh. Let's check out the fishies. Mangingisda kaya ako dito. Fresh tilapia. They're all so overpopulated, guys. It's like jail. This is what you call the death row. You know what's coming, guys. Bilang ng mga araw nyo. Oh no! Oh no! That's what I wanted, so I got these. Wow! Take home. Oh, parang masarap to. Tasty or pasty mallows? Tasty? Uy. Chocolate crinkles ang tagal ko nang di na-taste to. Aurea. Yan mahopya. May ganun na pala. Yan mahopya. So sweet. Sarap. Laki ng isda. Hey guys, I've fallen asleep but now I'm awake and we are here at Lilio, Laguna. Tama ba? Laguna. Basta, ito yung lugar na nagbebenta lahat ng sapatos and slippers. It's well known for like having everything really when it comes to footwear. So let's check out what they have. Okay, try. Yes, sure. Ay, Oh, nasa vlog na kayo. Panoorin nyo na lang. Wala, papabili na naman sila. Yan, pinasok-pasok ko ni Mommy dito sa patutak bibilin ko. So, why? Well, pagkakataon mo na daw, kumuha ka na. Minsan lang yan. Si Grace sabi niya, ang oportunidad, once in a lifetime from now. Another one. Gusto ko yung mom nahihirapan ako. Siyempre yung masakit na pasok sa balota. It's nice. I like it. Can I get the black version or red version? 200 lang kasi. Sayang naman.
Minsan lang tayo napunta rito.
Ha?
Minsan lang tayo mapagawi rito.
This is ang size 8. Then after that, let's go to another store. Okay, Mom, that's it. The ballot's closed. Okay, Mom, done? Yeah, I'm done. Guys, meron pa pala mga 70 pesos. Oh. May senior citizen discount po yan dapat, no?
Senior ka ba?
Senior yung babayad
Yun
yun.
sa akin lahat yun. Malaki na utang mo sa akin.
Ayun na, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ang mga anak dapat walang utang-utang. Oh, it's the K-walk. It's the K-way. Maybe I should get more shoes here. Ay, mami, yun yung gusto ko, yung Persian.
Ha?
May mag-gift daw sa akin ng ganun.
Tumakas.
Yung shoes?
Oo, dapat mo discount.
Labas nyo nga yung senior citizen nyo. By the way guys, my mom is a CFO, Certified Financial Officer. Counting is her game. Telling me I have utang, that's the norm at home. It's a whopping 3,000. My goodness. Eh kahapon lang isang sapatos, 3,500. Kakatawa acting ni Mommy. Not bad for all of these shoes.
Napasubo ako. Dapat hindi pala tayo napunta dito.
You invited me, therefore I enjoyed myself. Gosh, no, Mom. Can I have them as a pet? Pet na lang. Ay, naku. Oh my gosh. Talangka, tawag nito, kuya. Pag hinawakan ko, masasaktan ba ako? Masakit? Di ba may crab mentality tayo? Tingnan natin kung magtutulungan sila pataas. Yata sila nagtutulungan. Ito. May pag-asa itong makalabas. Magtulungan sila. Bagal nyo, guys. Pag may isang nakalabas siya, bibigyan ko ng 1,000. Ano? Wala. Ayan. Naghihilahan sila pababa. Ayan, tuloy. Ang laki ng ano nila, sipit nila, oh. Yo. Takot? Salad. Mom, this one looks okay. For salad. Let's get this. This one? This one is nice. Ito, socialite. Wow. Okay. Sabi ni Mami, uwi na. Sabi ko, no. Tapos titingin pa rin pala siya. Nakakatawa. So this used to be a famous place. Alright. Nice. Ang daming shrimp dito, Mom, no? Oh, that's cute.
Kasi order ka na. Sometimes pauwi na.
Ayoko umuwi. Hello. Ayaw nang umuwi, ma'am. Ano po yung best seller nyo?
Sa milk tea po, ma'am.
Yes. Yung may pearls.
Winter melon, ma'am, tsaka po classic.
These are so cute. Yung less fat, ano ba yung less fat sa inyo? Yung hindi umiinom ng milk tea, yun ang less fat, no? Even here, it's cute. Wow! Oh, look at the plates. Ang cute naman nun. This is a cute store. Sulat na sulat daw yung trip ko. Siyempre, ginising ko ni Mami ng 4:30
Sulit na
a.m.
sulit. Grabe. Butas na butas ang pulsa ko.
I only wake up for my dreams. And my dream is to have a lot of shoes. So,
Kahapon,
Perfect.
laki na nagagastos ko. Ngayon, malaki pa.
because my mom bought me shoes yesterday for my pre-birthday gift. So, my pre and my actual birthday gift. So, natawa si Noel.
Grabe.
So, I have 5 shoes, 1 bag. And then now I got, how many shoes did I get, Mom?
Ngayon, 6 yata.
6. Pero yung amount naman of that is nowhere near yesterday's
meron
amount.
ngayon. So, mga
8 shoes today?
Oo. Yung pangalawa pa binili natin.
Dapat pala ginawa ko ng 10 para sulit na sulit talaga.
Wala na ako pambayad.
Pambayad sa parking. Nalalo siya pero ang daming 1,000 din sa wallet. That's it for Holy Week. Yay! So, we had Stations na Cross, 1 church lang, super convenient. And then we went to Dolores Lucena, the Church of
Our Lady of Sorrows.
But there ain't no sorrows now, just happiness. Haha. And we got a lot of shoes. Yes!
In Diliw, Laguna.
The most famous place to buy shoes. Sobrang daming sapatos talaga doon. And you guys saw naman the prices, diba? Clearly, so different from Manila. But we don't wow!
Eh,
Pang matagalan yun.
hindi naman pang matagalan. Pero they also put their products
Their best
in
foot
the-
forward. Their best foot
products in the
forward.
department stores in Manila.
So normally, yung mga sapatos na yun, nilalagyan ng brands ng mga basta stores in Manila. I guess they're somewhat like what's that place in Manila, ma'am? The madaming sapatos.
Marikina.
Yeah, like
Somewhat
Marikina. That was the old Marikina. And since the pandemic, I guess kumonti na siya. Pero ngayon, it's getting back up. Yeah, so go ahead and visit Liliw, Laguna, Dolores, and don't forget to do your Stations of the Cross if you're Catholic. And what else? Yeah, so now, mapapulfill na lahat ng mga prayers dahil sa katutak na po yung mga dasal namin. For that you guys are notified because I'm verified, so you gotta be notified. Bye guys, love ya. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Invite ko ulit ako para bumili ng shoes ha. Yan, para
Naubos
makarami
ang
tayo.
pera ko. Butas ang bulsa.
5 pairs nga lang is 1,000 noon, diba?
5 pairs to
Or
say
less than
sana.
1,500, mga ganon.
No.
Yun yung laban, nakita ko yung presyo, mami.
No, I paid doon lang sa isang
Si
store.
mami dumodoble yung price
I
niya palagi.
paid 3,000 plus.
Yeah, but your shoes are there too. You can't count me in that.
Mine is only 200.
Yeah, I have more needs, mom. Okay, love you.